Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about Wireshark tool. Wireshark is a powerful, open-source network protocol analyzer. It allows you to capture and interactively browse the traffic running on a computer network. Here we will go through some key features and uses. The key features of Wireshark is, it can capture packets, perform protocol decoding, and can capture data and analyze it offline. It has a good graphical user interface. The first thing we will do is, we have to select the network we are going to monitor. Here the virtual box is having a wired connection, that is why I select Ethernet 0. Here we can see all the incoming and outgoing traffic is being captured by the Wireshark. I will show how Wireshark can be used for monitoring. Here I am pinging this IP address. We know that while pinging, ICMB echo packets will be sent to the target, then after it will return back to the sender. You can see here the ICMP echo packet is sending from our machine, and it is returning from the destination. Which means a Wireshark can monitor all the incoming traffic to our machine, including to which port more traffic is coming. I am clearing the Wireshark traffic to avoid complexity. I will show another method of monitoring. Here I am visiting a website called test.php. This is a vulnerable website. It have a lot of security vulnerabilities, including no digital certificate. In the address bar we can observe, it is clearly saying site is not safe. It is running on protocol HTTP. So what all data we are submitting here, it will not be encrypted. I don't have an account here, so I'm going to sign up. I am providing all my details here for the account. After submitting, we will try login. We have made a successful login. It is a time to work with Wireshark. Going through each data and in Wireshark is impossible. So we can use filters that will shortlist as per our search query. I am using a search filter here, that is to locate the text I have entered. We can see it listed 2 data, which contains our search query. That is user 1. We can see the username and password which I have entered is captured by the Wireshark. Remember, I have entered it on the browser. We can also see the sign up details which we have entered. This is why the digital certificates are very much compulsory for a website. Now I will show you how we can change the layout of this. The current layout is a packet list. We can change it to a packet diagram that will be more easy to understand. We have successfully changed the layout to a packet diagram. We can see all the output are clearly displayed, which is more easy to understand. Now we will discuss about filters. Like I told you already, searching for data in Wireshark is very difficult. In the Analysis tab, we have option for display filters. Here it is showing different filters for identifying specific values. As an example, let's see the filter for IPv4 address. This filter is only showing the IP address related entries. See here, Wireshark is showing multiple colors. Just understand each colors have their own meaning here. Go for the View tab, we can find coloring rules there. You can see here in Wireshark each entries have each color representation. That makes users to identify the nature of traffic Wireshark is capturing. We can modify the current entries with our own filters. By clicking on the current filter, we can modify with our own entries. Here we are taking the Wireshark tutorial to our advanced level. I have downloaded a Wireshark file from internet, which have entries relative to a cyber attack. We will use our investigative and observation skill into this. We can see everyone the IP address ending by .99 is the attacker. They are trying to connect the SMB protocol here. You can see similar attack is happening over multiple protocol. So I hope you understand about the Wireshark tool. In the upcoming session we will learn more about the Wireshark.